Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, David. Nice to meet you.
Why does a moving object eventually come to rest if no external force is applied?
Great question. A moving object tends to stay in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest unless an external force acts on it. This is Newton's first law of motion.
Why do we see lightning before we hear thunder?
You're asking about why we see lightning before we hear thunder, right? We see lightning first because light travels faster than sound.
What is the difference between permutation and combination?
Permutation refers to the arrangement of items in a specific order, while combination is about selecting items without regard to order. Want to dive deeper into either?
Yes.
Awesome. A permutation is about arranging items, so order matters. For example, arranging the letters A, B, and C can give you ABC, ACB, etc. A combination is about selecting items where order doesn't matter. For instance, choosing A and B is the same as choosing B and A.
What is the difference between direct and indirect speech?
Direct speech quotes someone's exact words, like, "I love ice cream." Indirect speech summarizes what they said, like, "She said she loves ice cream." Want to try changing some sentences from direct to indirect?
That was a great explanation. I understood it well.
That's totally fine. If you have any other questions or want to chat about something else, just let me know.
What is a clause? Give an example.
A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. For example, "She runs every morning" is a clause.
What is a variable in programming?
Great question. A variable is like a storage box in programming. It holds data that can change, like numbers or text.
What is an array in programming?
An array is a collection of items stored under one variable name. It can hold multiple values, like a list of numbers or names.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
No problem. See you later. Happy coding.